Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy specialty insurance with AmTrust, detailed guide step by step clearly. To deploy specialty insurance with AmTrust, begin by conducting thorough market research. Identify the specific needs of your target audience. Gather relevant data on industry trends and customer preferences. Next, familiarize yourself with AmTrust's specialty insurance products. Dive into their offerings, which may include niche policies for various sectors. Review the underwriting criteria and policy features. Establish a relationship with your AmTrust representative. Schedule a meeting to discuss your goals and ask for guidance. Utilize their resources to better understand their systems and tools. Now, create a business plan outlining your deployment strategy. Define your target market and marketing approach. Determine the potential costs and expected revenue. Once your plan is in place, develop your marketing materials. Craft clear messaging that highlights the benefits of AmTrust's products. Advertise your offerings through various channels such as social media and industry events. Train your team on the specific details of the specialty insurance policies. Ensure they understand the claims process and customer support resources. Launch a pilot program to gather initial feedback. Engage with early customers to understand their experiences. Adjust your approach based on their input to enhance the product offering. When ready, roll out the full-scale deployment. Monitor the performance of the specialty insurance products closely. Collect data on policy sales and customer satisfaction. Utilize this information. Establish regular check-ins with AmTrust to stay updated on new offerings and best practices. Always be prepared to adjust your strategy as market conditions change. Fostering a strong partnership with AmTrust will ensure a successful deployment of specialty insurance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.